Hello, my name is Benjamin Hart. I'm an American attorney and the Managing Director of Integrity Legal here in Bangkok, Thailand. As the title of this video suggests, we're discussing Thai immigration and specifically the possibility that it looks like a new immigration stamp is being created right now in order to be rolled out relatively quickly. In a recent article from The Nation, nationmultimedia.com, the title of the article is Crackdown on Forgery and Drugs Net 7. Now, I urge those who are interested in this topic to go ahead and read this article in its entirety, because most of it is about a crackdown of a couple of different types of criminals who've then subsequently been deported or they're awaiting deportation after dealing with their criminal matters here in the kingdom. But buried at the end of the article was this paragraph, to quote directly: "In a bid to solve the issue of visa stamp forgeries, Surachat said that National Police Commissioner, Police General Chaktip Chaijinda had already approved a new, sharper, more detailed visa stamp design that would come into use along with the stricter immigration law by the end of March." That's some really interesting stuff. That would be a sea change. In the entire time I've been in the kingdom, and visa stamps that I've seen that predate my arrival here have all been basically the same. There's been no fundamental change to the visa stamp in Thailand in all that time. So to change that stamp, that's a big deal. And I think people should be aware of it. They should also be aware of some of the, for lack of a better term, tertiary aspects of this development. So, for example, to institute a change in all the visa stamps throughout the country would require a very broad, very concerted, and very resource-heavy initiative to go ahead and make all these changes. And they said that at the same time that they said, come into use along with the stricter immigration law by the end of March. So I think it's pretty safe to assume moving forward, we're going to see some more stringent measures being taken by the Thai immigration apparatus to go ahead and make sure that people are in status in the kingdom. And I also think it's probably relatively safe to say that overall, I think that the immigration system is going to be a little bit more cumbersome moving forward. So while we're going to get a new visa stamp, I think we're also going to get more stringent rules. And as these developments take place, we'll go ahead and do videos on this channel to update you accordingly.